Hey my Ninja Warriors, in this video we are going to talk about the new pattern strategy, the high weighted chapters, the safe score we need to have to enter VIT Vellore CSE branch. Along with that, we are also going to talk about the various categories and the fees associated with it. But before I dive into more details, let me tell you that today is the last day for VIT EEE registration. If you have not registered for it and you are serious about it, do it right away. And if you have decided that I'm going to prepare seriously for VIT EEE examination, I have a very important news to share with you all, but that I'm going to share with you by the end of this video. So stay tuned with me till the very end. Okay. All right. Now let's talk about what are the colleges you can get admission in through VIT EEE examination. So you can see that 4 colleges are here and they have plenty of seats. But the highlight of all is VIT Vellore, and that too CSE branch is something which every JEE aspirant, every PCM student is eyeing for. Okay, so this is one very important college, and the highest package, the reason is the package. The highest package from this college went around 1.02 crore in 2025. Okay, all right. So these are the rest college, Chennai, Amravati and VIT Bhopal as well. Now let's talk about the exam structure, the new pattern, and how to actually handle this new pattern. So 125 questions will be there in whole paper. 40 questions in mathematics, 35 in physics, 35 in chemistry, and 15 questions aptitude and English. Okay. So 125 questions in 150 minutes, that too with negative marking. What does that mean? What does that imply? That you do not have, you cannot afford actually. You cannot afford to blind guess. Unlike 2025 and 2024. This year you have to be absolutely sure about what question you are doing and which answer you are taking, because you know what? One wrong click does not mean that is just waste of a time. No, that means you're going to lose 1 mark. And along with that, you know what? Each mark will give you a huge differentiator in rank. So this year you cannot blind guess. Okay. So mathematics is the highest section we can say, and aptitude and English is something which is highly scoring. This is not very difficult section. This will be highly scoring, and let me tell you, this exam is slightly easier than JEE examination, but now with the introduction of negative marking, VIT EEE is not as easy as it was in previous years. We need to take it very seriously. Okay, so this is the new marking scheme. +4 if you're going to get the right answer, -1 same as JEE, total 500 marks. Okay, so over here now you need to think about accuracy, and you know what? Accuracy is something which can be built over time with giving mock test, practicing, and course correction as well. Suppose you are getting so many negative marks in questions. What you need is, you just don't need a blind hard work. You just need strategy and smart work. That I'm going to give you in today's session only. Now let's talk about the safe score. Now this is something very interesting. Okay, so out of 500 marks, you have to score 440 plus marks. For that, you have to target 110 plus questions. Now, let me tell you that most of you have given JEE examination, and the level of JEE examination is tougher. If you see VIT EEE questions, which I am going to show you today in 10 p.m. session, the questions are very easy. What does that mean? For VIT EEE, you don't have to be genius. All you need is to practice so that in minimum time, you can actually solve maximum problems. You'll see VIT EEE paper, you will see that I know a lot of questions, but the whole game is to do the complete paper in given time. Okay. So yes, 440 plus marks, you can target Vellore CSE branch. Okay. And if you are underconfident and feel that I have not performed well in JEE, please remove that from your brain, because the pattern of this examination is very different. I have seen people who have performed worst in JEE, but they have actually gotten admission in VIT Vellore. I have seen students. Okay. And now the next option, if you are going to miss this window, the next option is you can target VIT Vellore ECE and IT branch. Okay. So the target marks for that is 360 to 440. For that, you have to do 95 plus correct questions. Okay. All right. Now let's talk about the subject-wise overview. I'm going to come on the category, but let's talk about the subject-wise overview. So here, physics 35, mostly this is based on 5-year previous year question paper trend analysis, from which 2025 I have got memory based very less number of questions, but I am telling you majorly on the basis of 21, 22, 23, 24, some extent 25 as well, and including 2020 as well. Okay, so yes, direct application and moderate length to solve, just like physics is. Physics is less lengthier than mathematics usually in every exam, right? This is all about physics, formula based, okay, unit and dimension. So you make sure that sometimes, you know what, the question is asked and you can crack the question using units. So this is the exam where you actually can apply your own tips and tricks, okay. Then chemistry, again, in every exam we always say that chemistry is something, NCRT is something you need to study for chemistry. Then we have mathematics. Now in mathematics, you know what, majority of students suffer in mathematics. Why? Because mathematics has so many variety of questions, and the moment, because the variety is so much, too much, you're going to see the question and the pattern is not going to click in your brain. Why? Because you have not covered every variety. If I'm going to give you, and if I'm going to give you, these are the 100 categories of mathematics question, and if you learn it correctly, if I'm going to give you the question, then high chances using pattern recognition you'll be able to crack the question, okay. So first thing is pattern recognition. Second thing is, the moment you have recognized the pattern, understood the question, you start solving, you realize that the question is taking way too longer, way too much calculations than actually the time is. So for that you need ninja techniques, okay. All right, you need shortcuts. So this is all about subject wise review. Now talking about high weightage topics, let me tell you, VIT is one of the exam which is slightly unpredictable. In one year this topic is high weightage, another year that another topic is high weightage, but still I have tried my best to analyze 5 years and to give you a basic analysis, which is this, okay. From physics, you can see modern physics is something which I can see maximum questions. And you know what, I'm not a physics teacher, but I have sat with experienced physics faculty, okay, and I have discussed these topics, okay. So modern physics mein atoms, nuclei, dual nature, current, electricity, then we have optics, electrostatics, subtopics are already written in front of you. Then chemistry, physical, organic and inorganic, all the topics again I have sat with chemistry teacher, that's what I was so busy. So these are the topics based on 5-year analysis, okay. And then mathematics, I know it. So in mathematics, calculus and algebra was too much in every paper. In every paper, more than 60% was, the questions were from calculus and algebra, okay. And let me tell you, the syllabus is not deleted for VIT unlike JEE. They will ask you about planes, they will ask you about the mathematical reasoning, that P and Q, which they used to ask 2-3 years back. So that chapter is not deleted, and one question you will get short from that mathematical reasoning. But do not worry, Ninja Ma'am is here, okay. Determinants, binomial theorems, straight lines, conics, basic easy questions. But you know what, yes, calculus and algebra was 60%. Then some coordinate geometry and very less question from rest of the topics which are not mentioned over here, okay. Now let me talk about the strategy. Before category, let me talk about the strategy. So strategy, because you have less time, only 150 minutes, okay, only 150 minutes you have. So this is the strategy majority of the students can follow, but you know what, that is very subjective. If you feel that my chemistry is worst, then this strategy will not work for you, okay. So this is the strategy which is for someone who has all the subjects average level, okay. So over here, first 25 minutes you need to give it to chemistry. Why? Because the moment you finish chemistry, it will take less time, so your mental burden will get finished. Then we have aptitude and English. Why? Again, easy. So these two are easy kill subjects. That's why first 40 minutes you will gain a lot of marks. And if chemistry is a strength, then this is the strategy you need to work on. Then we have 40 minutes for physics and the rest time for mathematics, because physics is somewhat lengthier than chemistry. That's why given more time to physics and mathematics. All right. Yes. Then we have, let me talk about the mathematics part. This year, mathematics is the rank decider. Not this year, every year. Okay. What is the differentiator? See, most students will do well in physics and chem, because chemistry, physics slightly easier, maths is something which is fearful. So this too you have to do. This is bare minimum. But mathematics is something which creates rank gaps, because you need to fall under first 1500 rank to get VIT Valor, okay. Then yes, so in mathematics, accuracy and speed is one thing you need to target on. Now let me talk about the category part, okay. So here is the category. I skipped that particular slide. Yes. So category, what is the category first? Okay, so category will be allotted to you based on your rank. So you can see that category 1 rank, that means top ranks, approximately less than 5,000. So you'll fall under category 1. And the fees for for category 1 is 1.2 lakh per year, because you have gotten the good rank. That's why your fees is less. But now if you're, suppose your rank is between 5 to 20 around, okay, so this is category 2, fees will be slightly higher over here. Then category 3, again 20 to 50. Category 4 and 5, okay, so let me talk about the first 3 categories. It's obviously best if you get under category 1, but category 2 and 3 are still doable for VIT Vellore, honest opinion. But I don't think so you should target for category 4 and 5, because the fees will be way high. And this is, you know what, the academic fees. I have not mentioned the hostel and mess fee. So that will add up more. And you know what, it creates family burden, right? So if you are coming from a well-off, very much good background, then you can go for category 4 and 5, but it's still not worth it for VIT Vellore College. But try to get into category 1 and 2. That's what my suggestion and recommendation is. So how am I going to help you in your VIT EEE journey? As we all know that mathematics being the largest section and which is the most time consuming section as well, hence the rank differentiator section as well, and I can help you with the amazing ninja techniques, which is going to help you in solving 1 to 3 minute question in less than 30 seconds. How am I going to do it? For that, let me go to my YouTube channel, which is right here. Okay, so in this video also, if you can go in the description box, right? But before going to the description box, I am taking a session not at 9 p.m. but at 10 p.m. Okay, where I'll be discussing top 20 PYQs, and I'll be talking about all those ninja techniques which I have been discussing throughout this particular video. Okay, and on top of it, let me tell you, since a couple of days I was getting a lot of messages asking for help in VIT EEE mathematics examination. So here I am with my first ever course. If you click on the link given in the description box, you will land here. ninjamam.com is live now. First course on my website, Master VIT EEE Maths with Ninja Techniques. You can get all the information what is there in this course in this video. If you're going to watch this video, this is the button you have to click if you want to enroll. And now let me tell you what exactly you're going to get in this particular course. Okay, so first of all, this is a recorded online course, and it is a 5-hour intensive math course. That means to complete these 5 hours, you might need 8 to 10 hours to complete the whole video. What is going to be there in this 5-hour course? It is going to be algebra, calculus, geometry, and other high frequency, high repetition topics based on the past 5-year analysis, PYQs as well as non-PYQs. I am going to show you the exact method which is going to take more time, and I'm going to show you the ninja technique to solve that question, okay, to save the time. All the tips and tricks I'm going to share in this particular course in this 5 hours, okay, along with a quick revision of theory as well, which is linked to that particular chapter. Now, you are also going to get 2 hours of logical reasoning and English. You know what? This is very, very easy marks. This section is very easy, and I don't want you to take it lightly. This is a scoring section. That's why I am putting an effort and created this course so that you can score well. Along with that, as we all know, VIT EEE is all about speed and accuracy. That only can be built if you're going to give right, relevant mock test. And these 5 mock tests, these 5 quality mock tests I have created, handpicked, using the 5-year trend analysis, okay, and some more question banks. Suppose you don't want to give mock test time boundedness, then you can just easily solve question bank. I'll be providing to you, okay. So go down and click over here, and you know what, click on this link, and it will be redirect you to this particular page. And you know what, now the early bird offer, which is going to be there only till Sunday, or Monday onwards, not okay, this is going to be there till Monday. Tuesday onwards, the price will be 999. Okay, so this is 599. So you have to write your name and enter your email, which you can access, because using this email you will be able to access the course. But disclaimer over here, this course is something which I am building. That means this is not an old course. This is a fresh course. It is already in progress, because it is taking too much time in research and everything. Okay, so this course will be active by 14th April. You will start seeing videos by 14th April, and by 15 and 16 I'll be providing you the logical reasoning and English as well. Okay, so over here now just If you want to register, do it right away. Do not wait for it because early bird offer is very limited. And I'll see you in the course.